This is Mekus with the Continence Club. I am back with a fantastic video. If you're new to the channel and identity shifting is something you're interested in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, you read the title correctly. You have to lie to yourself in order to shift your identity, but don't worry, I'm going to explain why I have it worded this way. With that being said, it's time to demonstrate. Let's get right to it. I know that sounds ridiculous. You've probably been told your entire life to be honest with yourself, to accept reality, to be realistic. This is just the way things are. This is just how you were born. This is something that is beyond your control. But what if being realistic is exactly what's keeping you stuck? What if the life you're living right now, your current situation right now, is the result of a story you've been telling yourself for years? Right now, you're probably carrying around an identity. Maybe you tell yourself, I'm inconsistent, I'm not disciplined, I'm not confident, I'm always behind, I'm not ready yet. And the reason why I'm stating these negative things is because you're more than likely, chances are, you think things about things more negatively than you do positively. The problem is that you've repeated these negative thoughts so many times that they no longer feel like opinions, they feel like facts, but they're not facts, they're stories. Really think about this. The fact that they're stories and not facts. How do you know you're incapable? How do you know you're not the person who can build the business? How do you know you're not the person who can make the transition? How do you know you're not the person who can reach the next level? You don't. You simply accepted a version of yourself that was created from past experiences. So if you're building something right now, you probably know exactly what this feels like. You know exactly what needs to happen, all the external things, you know what actions need to be taken, yet every time it's time to execute, a voice shows up. Self-sabotage occurs, procrastination occurs. Oh, there's that excuse again. What if it doesn't work? What if you're not good enough? What if you're wasting your time? And because you've listened to that voice for years, it sounds like truth. That is basically your truth. That story that you've been telling yourself, that negative story. And the thing about stories is stories can always be changed. You can change the narrative. And here's where everything changes. You need to become willing to tell a different story, not because it's proven, not because you have evidence, but because the story isn't serving you. What if instead you started saying, I'm becoming someone who follows through. I'm the type of person who figures things out. I'm capable of operating at a higher level. I'm the person who can make this happen. What if you started saying things like this instead of putting yourself down and thinking about the negatives instead of the positives? This makes a complete difference, and this is definitely going to transform your life in its entirety. At first, you may find your mind resisted. Good. That's exactly what should be happening. That means you're challenging the old identity. This is what has to happen before the new identity shows up. Before the results showed up, they had to believe something that wasn't visible yet. So this is only the beginning. The entrepreneur believed in the business before the revenue. The athlete believed in themselves before the championship. The creator believed in their vision before anyone was watching. From the outside, it looked irrational. It looked crazy. But internally, they were rehearsing a new identity. And that's exactly what you have to do when it comes to your life. And the goal isn't to lie forever, right? The goal isn't to tell yourself these things and it's something that has to be a natural lifestyle to you. The goal is to tell a better story long enough that you start creating evidence for it. So these quote unquote lies that you're telling yourself are only going to help shift your mindset and shift your life into one that's in alignment with who it is that you want to become, because you've stated these things to you. You're thinking about things differently. Then the lie becomes reality. You execute differently. You make different decisions. You raise your standards. You stop acting like the old version of yourself. This is where the difference starts to really happen for you. And eventually your life starts reflecting the new identity. So let me ask you a question. Which story is serving you right now? The story that's keeping you where you are? Because if it's the story that's keeping you where you are, how do you expect to shift your identity? those thoughts that you have in your mind, if those are the thoughts that are keeping you where you are, then don't you think it's time to start to tell yourself a different narrative? Don't you think it's time for you to start talking to yourself differently? Or the story that's pulling you towards who you're capable of becoming? Are you telling yourself the story that's pulling yourself toward who it is that you're capable of becoming? Are you telling yourself these quote unquote lies that you really don't believe yet, but the truth is you just haven't seen evidence for it yet? Are you telling that story that's pulling you towards that new identity, or are you telling the story that's keeping you stuck at the current one that you don't like? Because one of them is creating your future, whether you like it or not, whether you want to take responsibility for it or not, whether you want to take accountability for it or not. It's creating your future. If you're going to tell yourself a story anyways, why keep telling the story that's limiting you? Why not tell yourself the story that will propel you? Why not tell the story that's going to keep you in alignment with who it is that you want to become? Why keep rehearsing the version of yourself you've already outgrown? It's all about focusing on who it is that you're becoming. That's exactly why I say in my videos, it's important to chase character instead of goals, because when you chase character, your goals are automatically going to align with your character. In order for you to build the character, it starts with control of your mind, controlling what you think and say about yourself and how you see things, how you see the world. Because wherever your attention goes, energy flows. So keep your mind on the constant becoming, staying adapting to change. So start telling yourself a different story moving forward. In order for you to tell yourself a different story moving forward, start identifying with a different version of yourself. That's literally what it comes down to. And the difference between you doing it successfully and not is how consistent you stick with the narrative you tell yourself, how consistent you stick with those thoughts that are in accordance to who it is that you really want to become. Because every transformation begins with the belief that does not yet have proof. Really think about the people that have success and think about the successes that you've had in your life. A lot of the times you didn't really think you were that you were going to achieve that success in the beginning. It started with the belief that didn't have proof yet. And then what did you do? You proved it to yourself and you were able to get that success in your life, whatever it is that it may have been. And that's what I know for myself is a fact. And I'm sure that you can relate to that when it comes to the many successes that you've seen. So eventually reality catches up to the identity because the world reacts to you. You don't react to the world. The world literally reacts to you. So whenever I tell you the quote unquote lie, all I'm really saying is start to feed yourself the narrative that you might not see evidence yet, that you might not believe yet, because it will happen. That is how the world operates. It reflects the inner dialogue that you have for yourself. And once you understand this and really internalize this, the rest is history. This is Mekus with the Continence Club. If you liked this video up to this point, check the description. There are resources I left there. Let's work together when it comes to shifting our identity. If you're an entrepreneur, if you are a high professional looking to make a transition and build your own sort of business, as well as just somebody who's just serious about the identity shifting process in general, check my description for additional information that may benefit you if you're really serious about this. I'll see you on the other side, and until next time, keep going.